This is your new Walkera mini copter made from one full piece of injected PWX reinforced polymer material with your 2.4 GHz remote. And as this is the standard version, there are two versions, so don't let others trick you. There is the G version, that is the standard one, and there is the normal one. The difference, two, flight time and battery. The normal version, the 5 number, has a 7.4 800 milliamp battery, while this one is a 3.7 1000 milliamp battery with more flying time. Also, the rotor, the main for the number, the 5 number, is 340 millimeters. For this one, that is the standard version, the diameter is 408 millimeters. So this one is a 5G 4Q3 mini chopper from Walkera. What is mini? The overall length is just 41 centimeters, but it's a full chopper with everything, with your tail rotor and your interchange driven, has your charger, your battery is on the bottom of the chopper, is there. This is your extended time battery for the 5G 4Q3. The receiver also is at 2411 instead of the 2403. The drive system is at 180 pH for this chopper, and the transmitter is at WK2401. Uses micro servos of 8.5 grams, and is really a delightful ride. This little guy here. The new from Walkera, the 5G 4Q3. This is not the 5 number, take care about that. This is the standard one, the advanced version of the mini Walkera new helicopter. Totally efficient with all the channels you need. And it's ready to fly. Just take out, put this little assembly in your tail rotor and in the side of your wheels, and that's it. Connect it, charge it, that's it, and fly it. Walkera 4Q3 here in DGCTV.